Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on the languages and input and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language. And here we've been transferred to the list of available ones, so simply find it and tap on it. And sometimes you will be able to pick the region, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied to this list, but English is still a main one. So in order to set the Spanish one, we have to tap on it and hold it and reorder the languages. So let's drag it to the first position, and as you can see, from now on the whole system will be in the chosen language. Of course, you can do it again, so let me set English. And as you can see, it will be changed within a second. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list, 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Confirm it, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.